So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stitch into the top of a length of ribbing. So I've just stitched this up for a sweater pattern I'm designing. And the rows of ribbing are fairly easy to count. So you can see there's raised rows and then there's repressed rows. So counting across would be row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you notice all of the raised rows are even numbers as we count. So that's just an easy way to visually see where the rows are as you're stitching in the top to make sure your stitch count and placement is correct. So normally we'd be finishing off our last row of ribbing like so. So you're then going to rotate your work, chain 1, and for this pattern we're going to be working 1 half double crochet into every single row. So we're going to place 1 half double crochet in that first row, and then 1 half double crochet in the next row, and then just continue along the entire top length of the ribbing and keeping your stitch placement identical in the tops of all of those rows.